Okay, this boat's a Cranchi. C-R-A-N-C-H. Or Cranchi.
I think he told me it was hot dry.
Could be.
You want to get these lines back here?
So the dockhands advising that there's one port stern line that's in the water. It's pod drive, so watch him spin the boat. Beautiful. How easy could that be?
I know where you're at.
Let's be optimistic. It's only Tuesday. Yep. The wind's getting him. Well, if he's got pods, he can walk it to the right. Grab that line! Another lucky day, no contact. Yes, indeed. Little bit of screaming, but no fiberglass crunch. Hallelujah.
All right, we're gonna